Today I'm exploring the Llwybr Sgwd Eira Trail in the Waterfall Country, one of the most iconic short walks in the Brecon Beacons. This gentle hike leads to Sgwd Eira, the famous waterfall where you can actually walk behind the curtain of falling water. It's a compact route, but one that delivers dramatic scenery, woodland paths and a unique perspective you won't find anywhere else. Let's get started.
Hardcore. Lovely fir cone trees.
In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees and lit up windows and poison arrows. In my heart is a waterfall of silver linings and dirty laundry.
You look a bit damp.
I'm always moist when I see you.
Of course.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
Looking a bit damp.
Yeah, I wouldn't take your top off. I'd get soaked.
Looking a bit damp.
Oh my god, you are literally fresh.
Fresh and you went swimming.
It looks like it. I'm going to do it nude. I got my waterproof skin on.
Oh, yeah.
Where we stand now? Whoa! You might have to make it all the way. Oh. Down. Whack, whack, whack.
Shortfall, you are breaking down my wall. Now I'm a waterfall. As I recall, we were all and off and on a waterfall.
Big damp.
Cool. That's a cool tune.
It's a bit damp. A bit damp.
I am. There we
Yeah, a little bit saturated. You know you're supposed to go and look at it, not go into it. And that was the waterfall. Very fresh, pretty cold, very damp, and extremely wet. But worth it. Now I've got to dry off. Wet. Oh, the yellow and the blue.
Reaching out and pulling back from all this waterfall. So won't you stop, seriously stop. Oh, drop the flop, your cup is gone. And what did you think I would not find out? You with him last night. Drop the flop, your cup is gone. I'm unfrozen, darling. My eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting up this